In 2026, the artificial intelligence race is no longer just about who has the smartest chatbot. The industry is entering a far more important phase, the battle for infrastructure, real-world integration, and economic dominance. And right now, Google is making one thing very clear. It does not intend to lose this war. For the last few years, AI companies competed through spectacle, bigger demos, smarter conversations, viral moments that made people question whether machines were becoming conscious. But behind the scenes, the center of gravity has started to shift. The companies leading the next era of AI may not be the ones with the flashiest presentations. They may be the ones building systems that quietly become impossible to live without. That is exactly the direction Google revealed during its latest AI announcements in May 2026. Instead of treating artificial intelligence as a separate product, Google is transforming AI into an invisible layer that sits underneath everything. Search, Android, Workspace, Chrome, coding tools, productivity software, scientific research, all of it is slowly becoming connected through Gemini. And this changes the game completely. Because the future of AI may no longer belong to standalone chatbots, it may belong to ecosystems. Google's strategy is becoming increasingly aggressive. Gemini is no longer positioned as simply an assistant, it is evolving into an operating layer for digital life itself. The company is integrating AI directly into Android, allowing Gemini to understand screen context, interact between applications, automate tasks, summarize information in real time, and eventually function more like an intelligent agent than a chatbot. At the same time, Google is heavily reducing the cost of its AI models. This is a major signal to the industry. The company understands that the next battle will not only be about intelligence, it will also be about affordability, speed, reliability, and scalability. In other words, AI is becoming infrastructure. And infrastructure always favors companies with massive scale. That creates a serious challenge for OpenAI and Anthropic. While those companies continue building increasingly powerful frontier models, Google already controls Android, Search, YouTube, Gmail, Maps, Chrome, cloud infrastructure, and billions of daily users. If AI becomes deeply embedded into those products, the ecosystem itself becomes the competitive advantage. But the most important shift happening right now is this. Artificial intelligence is moving beyond conversation. The industry is rapidly entering the age of agentic AI, systems that do not simply answer questions, but actively perform tasks, booking, scheduling, coding, research, automation, real-time decision-making. AI is slowly evolving from a tool into a digital operator, and that evolution could reshape entire industries. The companies that win this race may control not just software, but productivity itself. The next trillion-dollar AI market may not come from entertainment or chatbots. It may come from replacing thousands of small cognitive tasks that humans currently perform every day. That is why the biggest AI stories in 2026 increasingly look less like science fiction and more like economics. Data centers, enterprise integrations, autonomous agents, scientific AI systems, robotics, infrastructure. The AI revolution is no longer arriving as a spectacle. It is arriving quietly through systems that slowly become part of everyday life until the world realizes it cannot function without them anymore.